good food, good company equals good site tour. So I'll eat first and then I'll see you when we are in the car going to the area. Okay? So we just ate, okay? Right now we are in the car and we are going to Mandtra Residences. Okay, so this is P. Basubas, 2 lanes going in, and according to CLI, based from the main road up to the Mandtra is about 200 meters. So this is the location. We are here. It says no parking. But we will park. Because we would want to check the area. Okay. So kaning area ba bahon ba ni dire? Kung saan ni nga da na kaning gi-construct dere para drainage na siya?
Drainage din siya, sir.
Kaning
siya nga drainage, sir. Lahos na siya dito sa barangay, dito sa Tipolo dito.
Semento man ita na, no?
Sentado na dito, sir.
Okay.
Kaning siya ditiwas na siya nga nila mo lang dito ang nagtaman ng mga anak. Wala lang tarong na pasada. Ako yung pasada ni tarong.
Mo ni gibangagan. Nabi ta mga bangag-bangag oh.
Kaning siya tangtaman pa ni siya dinhi. Ay mo man drainage tama dito gilahos dito. Kasi isa ni sa request ko sa sila ay nagkataro.
Bitaw no? Okay. Ang dako ba ni siya nga project ay. Kanang videohan no? Ang video-video na lang ko dire eh. Pero wala ni baha dire no?
Wala ni.
Okay, basin mo. Ingno na to atong mga buyer dire nga walay baha niya.
Sa una, ang baha una dito dapit sa may eskwelahan. Ato dito may baha dito pero karon murag dili na kay tungod na naman gyud kuanan mo lang
drainage sa gyud. Sa Hernan Cortez wala gini baha diri sa Hernan?
Hernan Cortez sir wala sir.
Okay, so right now this is the site. So a little bit of the road here is small, but that's because there is an ongoing construction. Okay, so going in here, so from there to here. So this is 1.2 hectares. Okay. 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 It's good. It's not very far from Hernan Cortez actually. Unsa kalayo kung dire ka gawas? Doon sa Tipolo ba? Di ba dire padong San Miguel man?
Padong San Miguel.
Kani
sa dire sir, kung imura ni siya latawon din ni sir. Gikan din ni latawon nimo pa imo dito sa Pinatipolo. Normal nga lataw nimo abot og mga 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Pero mas dool rin, no?
Ako ng Cortez, yung anak ko, ora? Pila raman sa ng Cortez, nakabot.
Lagi.
5 minutes siguro ni mula sa.
Okay. So magbalik-balik yung gani dire. Okay, sige, salamat boss. Okay, so we've talked to the Kuya, the guard. He is more, because of course he's more familiar with this project, and he said, according to him, this area is not prone to floods. Maybe that's because either it's a bit elevated, or because they have improved their drainage system. So it's not like before when we talk about this area or Tipolo, it's automatic that, you know, flood. That's the first thing that comes to their mind. But right now, it seems like it has improved. And maybe if you look at the ongoing drainage outside this location, maybe, I don't know, maybe it's part of their agreement with CLI and Mandawi to improve, because that's one of the requirements to build especially condominium in this area. Okay, so we have confirmed, we've talked to the Kuya, we have confirmed that it's not flood prone. In terms of the road, it's an internal road, it's a barangay road, so 2 lanes, but at least you have 2 options going to Tipolo, going to San Miguel, and Hernan Cortez. So depending on where you would want, then that's where you choose to go. And you know, you can check Google Maps, you know, if there's like traffic or not, so that you can choose to either go outside or just choose to stay. After this, we are going to outside to the San Miguel route to see if, because Kuya said it's about 15 minutes walk, so 200 meters from Hernan Cortez going to here, which is closer, and then a bit further there in the San Miguel Road. Okay, so talk to you later, and we're gonna go there.